Having the right eyewear for the right task is one of the best ways to improve your vision in day-to-day life. And driving is the one activity that almost all of us do almost every day. So that's why I've brought you here to the Porsche Experience Centre at Silverstone, where I'm going to be putting the world's best driving glasses to the ultimate test. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. And today's video is going to be covering what makes the perfect pair of driving glasses. We're going to be showcasing the 3 different approaches to improving your driving vision, the pros and cons of each one, and helping you understand which one is going to be best for you. So we'll start with everyday glasses, which are enhanced for driving. And one of the best versions of that is Zeiss Drive Safe. Now Zeiss were the pioneers of everyday lenses that you can also wear for driving and are more specialized for driving. Drive Safe technology has 3 main benefits to it. The first one being improved night vision. Obviously, nighttime driving or driving in poor weather is the time where we're most at risk. You see, at nighttime, our pupils actually open up to allow more light in so that we can see better. That actually changes the focus of our eyes. And Drive Safe technology actually has an optimization within the lens that corrects your prescription for low light performance. And thirdly, Drive Safe lenses deliver perfect peripheral vision. That is absolutely crucial to driving, whether that's during the day or at night. When we drive, we need to see everything around us really clearly and accurately. And Drive Safe lenses allow us to do that. So Drive Safe lenses basically make your glasses a great pair for every day, while being particularly specialized for driving at night or driving in poor weather conditions. Now, if you're particularly into driving, you want a pair of specialized driving glasses. It's a magma orange lens color with a specific absorption. And the idea is that these give you the best vision for driving, allowing you to react quickly to oncoming traffic, oncoming hazards, allowing you to judge the distances between yourself and other cars quickly and more accurately. Now, how do they do that? Now, within the spectrum of visible light, we have high intensity light, which delivers low contrast to our eyes, and we have lower energy light, which gives us more visual information. A filter like this takes away the bad light and lets more of the good light through. It's a really cool feeling actually when you put these kind of glasses on, how in the zone it makes you feel. And for me, that's really important when you're driving. You have to remember that when you drive, that is the time that you're most vulnerable. Having eyewear specifically tailored for driving keeps you safer. It keeps you more focused. The finishing touch to these lenses was also a sapphire flash coating. A lens like this, because it's letting through so much good light, sometimes it's too bright. When you have a low sun, a direct sun, and you're driving towards it, that sun can be blinding. Having the sapphire coating actually reflects the sun away from the eyes, which means that even though these lenses are not dark to see through, they still provide adequate sun protection for really bright conditions. So you have everyday glasses, which are also optimized for driving, and you can have specialized driving eyewear. But the third type of driving glasses you can think of as being primarily sunglasses, with a tint designed for that high contrast that we need when driving. You see, as good as these day-to-day driving glasses are, as I mentioned, when you get really strong sunlight, the tint is not quite dark enough to give full protection to the eyes. The flash coating provides enough so that you aren't blinded, but it's not necessarily comfortable. So one of the most popular options that most people consider is a pair of general use sunglasses that are also optimized for driving. And that's what you see here. A specific sunset violet tint that is designed primarily for style, but actually happens to be fantastic for driving. And the reason is because, again, like the magma orange, it provides a high contrast view of the road. One thing I will say about this tint is it's far more natural to see through than the driving specific lens. And that makes it better as a general use sunglass, meaning that you can think of these as your normal go-to sunglasses, but they're particularly good when you drive. So that's it. There are 3 ways that you can customize your eyewear to be great for driving, whether it's everyday glasses that are optimized, specific specialized driving eyewear, or sunglasses that are just that little bit tuned towards driving. I hope you found this video interesting or helpful. If you have, give us a like, and any questions about driving or eyewear in general, leave a comment in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe for more of the best eyewear content on the internet. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.